welcome to 26311 Tarrasa Lane in the highly desirable Dean Homes neighborhood of Mission Viejo. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, rare, single-story home, and it's almost 1,900 square feet. It sits on a fabulous 8,712 square foot lot. Now stepping inside, there are so many things I love about this home. Check out the living room. Now one thing I love about this living room is a lot of the custom features. You'll notice all the really beautiful custom built-ins. Of course, I love the mantle. Everyone loves a fireplace. The sellers have also turned it into a gas log fireplace with a gas starter and all the walls of windows that lead out to the outside. Now, stepping into the dining room, what I really love about this, hey, it's all about having fun with family and friends, right? There's so much room in this dining area. I also love the wet bar. Just adds a little fun over there for entertaining. The other thing is how the dining room leads to the great open white peninsula kitchen. Now, once again, the peninsula kitchen overlooks the pool area, and it's all about letting the outdoors in. Now, the sellers have spent nearly $100,000 on improving the backyard. They replastered the pool, they did recoping of the pool area, they put in a new lawn. There's really cool, of course, a spa with a waterfall, and check out this photo of the pool and spa in the evening. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. Now, once again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and if you'll notice in the guest bathroom, they've updated it with newer fixtures. Stepping into the master bedroom, now this is in a separate area of the house, which is really nice for privacy, but what I also love is the size of the bedroom. This is a huge master bedroom. Stepping into the master bathroom, what I really like is it has somewhat of a spa feel. I love the step-down shower. The other thing that's really cool is it has really its own little kind of romantic retreat off the master bath and the master bedroom, which is really nice as well for some privacy. Now, the sellers have also done quite a bit of upgrades that maybe you wouldn't see with your own eyes, but can really save you a lot of money if you choose to make this your next dream home. There's all new PEX plumbing. The electrical has been updated. There's a new water heater. There's new ducting for the AC. There's also the recessed lighting. And additionally, out front, there's an all-new beautiful paver driveway. So many upgrades have been done, both some you can see and some you cannot with your own eye, but everything's ready to make this home your next dream home. Now listen, we're open again. That's so great. Come see us this Saturday. We're going to be holding it open from 1 to 4, both Saturday and Sunday. We'd love to meet you. This is Jules Wilson. I'm with Seven Gables Real Estate. You can call me or text me at 949-478-0139. I'm looking forward to meeting you.